Sex-linked inheritance. Mendel's laws don't always apply to genes found solely on the X or Y chromosomes in humans. When men have a recessive gene on their X chromosome, it's usually expressed. This is because the Y chromosome doesn't have a dominant gene to suppress the X chromosome's recessive gene. Genes that appear only on the X chromosome, in mammals like humans or Drosophila, or on the comparable Z chromosome, in birds and certain species with ZO or ZW sex determination systems, are termed X-linked or Z-linked genes. Conversely, genes found only on the Y chromosome are referred to as Hollandric genes. The way these X, Z, or Hollandric genes are passed on is called sex-linked inheritance. Types of sex-linked traits. For organisms with the XXXY chromosome system, sex-linked genes can be grouped as A. X-linked. These genes reside on the non-homologous section of X chromosome that don't match with any part of the Y chromosome. These are often termed sex-linked genes. X-linked genes are commonly known as sex-linked gene. B. Y-linked. Genes found exclusively on the Y chromosome are often called Hollandric genes, from Greek, holos, meaning whole, and andros, meaning man. C. XY-linked. The XY-linked type sex-linked inheritance is performed by those genes which are localized in homologous section of X and Y chromosomes. Examples of sex-linked inheritance. X-linked inheritance in human. Humans possess 46 chromosomes in their body cells, distributed as 23 pairs. Women have 22 pairs of non-sex chromosomes, called autosomes, plus 2 X chromosomes, 22 pairs plus XX. On the other hand, men have 22 pairs of autosomes and a combination of 1 X and 1 Y chromosome, 22 pairs plus XY. Because females only produce one kind of gamete, with an X chromosome, the male's gamete determines the offspring's sex. Two main examples of sex-linked inheritance in human are 1. Hemophilia, 2. Color blindness. 1. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is the most commonly known hemorrhagic disorder causing bleeding due to defects in the coagulation factors. This leads to delay in the coagulation process after the injury. Hemophilia is usually an X-linked recessive inherited disease, but in some rare conditions, it has been found to be acquired. All females have XX pair and males have XY pair of sex chromosomes. The normal blood clotting gene is dominant and found only on the X chromosome. If the gene is altered, it results in hemophilia. Hemophilia is a recessive character. A mother may carry the disease and would transmit the disease to 50% of her sons, even if the father is normal. Let us understand how the hemophilia gene can be inherited with the help of following situations. Situation 1. When the mother is unaffected and the father has hemophilia. In this case, all the sons will be normal and all the daughters will carry the hemophilia gene because the X chromosome from the mother carries the normal blood clotting gene and the Y chromosome from the father does not carry the hemophilia gene. Situation 2. When the father is unaffected and the mother carries the altered gene causing hemophilia. At each birth 50% son have hemophilia and 50% daughter will carry the altered gene causing hemophilia. Situation 3. When the father is affected and the mother carries the altered gene causing hemophilia, a rare condition. There will be 25% hemophilic daughter, 25% daughter will be carrier, 25% son will be hemophilic and 25% son will be normal. 2. Color blindness, color vision deficiency. Color blindness is a vision problem that means you have trouble seeing shades of red, green, or blue or a mix of these colors. It happens when there's a problem with some of the cells found in the layer of nerves, retina, at the back of the eye. For color blindness, gene is responsible for the development of altered or defective cone cells. It may also be possible that the altered gene makes cone cells less sensitive to the color of light or affect the pathway through which cone cells send electrical signals to brains. The gene for normal color vision is dominant and found only on the X chromosome. Color blindness affects mostly males. Let us understand how the gene for color blindness is inherited with the help of following situations. Situation 1. When the mother is unaffected and the father is color blind. All the sons will be normal and all daughters will carry the color blind gene because X chromosome from mother carries the normal color vision gene and the Y chromosome from father does not carry the gene of color blindness. Situation 2. When the mother carries the altered gene of color blindness and the father is unaffected. At each birth 50% son will be color blind and 50% daughter will be carrier. Situation 3. When the father is color blind and the mother carries the altered gene causing color blindness. There will be 25% color blind daughter, 25% carrier daughter, 25% color blind son and 25% normal son. Understanding family traits, pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis offers insights into a family's genetic history and can help anticipate future genetic outcomes. Essentially, a pedigree is a family tree detailing the inheritance of specific traits through generations. In these diagrams, males are represented by squares and females by circles. A line connecting the two symbols represents mating or marriage. Interpreting pedigrees. The diagram given below shows that the inheritance across 3 generations, focusing on the trait of attached earlobes. Using F to represent the recessive allele, attached earlobes, and F for the dominant allele, free earlobes, one can deduce the genotypes of many individuals in the pedigree based on Mendelian inheritance principles. The given chart explains the inheritance pattern of the ability to roll the tongue. Both parents can roll their tongues, indicated by filled-in symbols. Out of their 4 offspring, 3 can roll their tongues, while 1 cannot, represented by an empty symbol. Given this, we can infer that both parents are heterozygous for the trait. The child who cannot roll their tongue likely inherited 1 recessive allele from each parent. Table 4.3. Dominant and recessive forms of some common hereditary traits in humans. Serial number, character, dominant, recessive. 1 tongue, rolling, non-rolling. 2 eye color, brown, blue. 3 eyebrows, bushy, thin. 4 hair, curly, straight. 5 earlobe, free, attached. 6 lips, thick, thin. 7 color vision, normal, color blindness. 8 cheek, dimpled, normal. 9 skin color, light color, dark color. 10 fingers, 6, 5. 11 hand, right-handedness, left-handedness. 12 Rh blood group, Rh plus, Rh minus.